Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we invest in the future. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure the bell notification is lit. And like that, you guys will not miss out on money bag alerts like this one. If you guys want to know about these money bag alerts, the link is down in the description for the Money Bags Mansion. But we're going to jump right into this money bag alert. This is Bush on your Gran, okay? This is the most provoking one that we got, but this is meme culture, okay? So today we push the limits of what YouTube is going to allow and what X is going to allow. So if you guys are with me on this one, smash the like button. Let's get over 100 likes on this video. Let's go crazy. But we got Bush on your Gran. I mean, this is something we've seen some of the other ones that did really well, and let's face it, there's a market for it because we got the tokens like Gulo, we got the token like Cock, and I mean those things are going crazy, and so there is a market for this type of provoking meme culture for sure. So on Bush, livable fun, Bush placement brings endless giggles and a must for everyone craving photo Bush dazzlement. This is something that's happening right now. I'm not gonna lie, just even going over this, I was laughing, of course. So Bush is a digital token that represents one of the most crucial ideas of our time. We are going to put beards of pubic hair on the faces of 1 million grandmothers. Then we will put one lucky grandmother and Bush on a billboard in Times Square. Now that's gonna be crazy. and because of crypto, this is possible, okay? Our award-winning twatch generator makes bushing simple and easy. Select a twatch from our gallery and growers, position, shave. I said shave. Oh my God, save, download, and share. This is what this does to you guys. Oh my God. And I'm going to leave that in there. We're going to keep it rocking because this is what it's all about. All right. So we got finally a meme coin with real world utility, obviously bringing some laughter to everybody and making the mind go all over the place. So we got tokenomics, token supply 1 billion. This is the contract address. I'll have these links down below for you guys in the description below, like that you guys don't get confused with any other links. We got phase 1, 100 chins, phase 2, 1,000 chins, 10,000 chins, 100,000 chins. The numbers are set up funny that I'm not sure what's going on with that, but when we reach Valhalla, we will be placing the winning Gran and Bush on a billboard in Times Square. I think that is crazy right there. I mean, if you ever wanted to see something thought-provoking in Times Square, I mean, this is what meme is supposed to do. Meme is literally supposed to make you laugh, grab your attention, make you question reality. Let's just face it. Are we living in the Matrix right now? Is this what we're doing? This is what we're doing, everybody. And watch it send. Watch it send. So, Twatch generator. We got the Twatch generator, upload a photo of your Gran, select the Bush, position it. So you guys can use the tool right here. These are some of the ones you guys can use. But we got some big heavy hitters into space also repping this one. And there is some money on the table. We got Rodney. You guys know this. You guys know who Rodney is. So where's Rodney at? I know he's on here somewhere. Crypto Journey. You guys know him. So Crypto Journey, this is his beard right here getting placed on other people's faces right now. So, you know, this is exactly what it's all about. This is probably the most thought-provoking stuff that we're going to have on the channel. We're going to see how far YouTube lets us take this one and see how far we can go with it. But, I mean, everything's, I mean, look at that. That's meme all day. So we're most likely going to see a lot more of this one. It's most likely going to do really well. We've seen what the other one's doing. So thought-provoking memes are definitely one of the ways. We'll see how many strikes we get on this one. But just know that I do this for the culture. I do this for all of us. So make sure you guys give them a follow at Bush on your Gran. Obviously, it's going to go live in 2 days. So we got 2 days for this one to go live. Do not miss out for this. It's probably going to go crazy. That's why it's a money bag alert. So we got 2 days and 19 hours. In the Telegram, they also have the bot right now that will be paying people out. So you guys want to join that Telegram. Like I said, I'll have all those official links down below for you guys. And we'll be seeing more about this one. And I'll keep you guys updated. You guys see that it has Rodney already connected to it. So it's got some heavy hitters. I'm dropping videos on it. So I'm pretty sure this one's going to be surprising a lot of people when it comes out smashing on Solana and stuff like that. So continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.